Hello and welcome to another Sonic Wall video tutorial. My name is MG Sriramaya, Senior Tech Support Engineer, Sonic Wall. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure stateful active standby high availability in Gen6 UTM appliances. These are the steps to configure active standby high availability. Ensure the interfaces of the primary and secondary Sonic Wall security appliances are properly connected for failover. Connect the HA control and data links on the primary and secondary appliances with appropriate cables. Verify that the primary and secondary appliances are registered on MySonicWall and have identical SonicOS firmware versions. Configure high availability settings in the primary appliance. Synchronize the settings with the secondary appliance. Associate the appliances as an HA pair. Test failover. This network diagram shows how to set up the physical connectivity of the primary and secondary appliances. We have here two SonicWall NSA 2600s. Both are running SonicOS 6.1.2.2 firmware. The X0 interface of each appliance is connected to a switch. The X0 is configured with an IP address of 192.168.100.1 with a 24-bit net mask. The X1 interface of each appliance is connected to another switch. For HA control and data links, we have chosen the X7 interface. In Gen 6 appliances, any interface can be selected for HA control and data links as long as they are the same on each appliance. We have a cable running from the X7 interface of the primary SonicWall to the X7 interface of the secondary SonicWall appliance. The first task in setting up HA after completing the physical connectivity is configuring the high availability settings on the primary SonicWall security appliance. I am now logged into the management interface of the primary SonicWall and have navigated to the high availability settings page. On the General tab, select Active Standby from the Mode drop-down menu. Now select the Enable Stateful Synchronization checkbox. Now select the Enable Virtual MAC checkbox to allow the primary and secondary SonicWall to share a single MAC address. Next, navigate to the HA Devices tab. Here, type in the serial number for the secondary appliance. Navigate to the HA Interfaces tab. Here, specify the HA Control Interface and the HA Data Interface. For this video, we use the X7 interface for both. Click Apply to save these settings. All settings will be synchronized to the secondary SonicWall and the secondary SonicWall will reboot. After reboot, both SonicWalls will have identical settings. Next, we configure HA monitoring settings so that each SonicWall will have a unique IP address. On the High Availability Monitoring page, click the Configure icon of the X0 interface to open the Edit HA Monitoring dialog box. In the primary IP address field, enter a unique IP address within the subnet of the X0 interface IP. We choose 192.168.100.254. This IP will be used to manage and monitor the primary SonicWall. In the secondary IP address field, enter another unique IP address 192.168.100.253. This IP address will be used to manage the secondary SonicWall. Enable the checkbox Allow Management on primary and secondary IP address. Click on OK. You may repeat these steps to configure monitoring on other interfaces. Next, we associate the appliances for HA on MySonicWall. I am now logged into my MySonicWall account. All the SonicWall security appliances in an HA must be registered under one MySonicWall account. To use Stateful HA, you must purchase a Stateful High Availability Upgrade license for the primary SonicWall. The license is shared with the secondary SonicWall. Once both SonicWall appliances are registered, click the product name or a serial number of the appliance that you want to use as a parent or primary SonicWall. As you can see, this SonicWall is registered for Stateful High Availability. On this page, scroll down to the Associated Products section and click HA Secondary. On the My Product page, under Serial Number, select the product name or serial number of the appliance that you want to associate as the child or secondary SonicWall. Click on Associate. Once the association is complete, the appliance is listed under Associated Products. Now, we synchronize licensing information in both the SonicWall appliances. I am now logged into the management interface of the primary SonicWall using its monitoring IP address of 192.168.100.254. Navigate to the System Status page and then click on the Registration link. Enter the username and password of your MySonicWall account to synchronize this appliance with the SonicWall license server. Next, log into the secondary SonicWall using its monitoring IP of 192.168.100.253. Under System Status, synchronize this appliance with the SonicWall license server. Both the primary and secondary appliances are now successfully synchronized with the SonicWall license server. Next, let us verify whether our high availability setup is configured correctly. I am now logged into the primary SonicWall using its monitoring IP 192.168.100.254, and I have navigated to the high availability status page. You can see at the top the message logged into primary SonicWall, status active. On the status page, the primary state is active and the secondary state is standby. I will start a continuous ping to an IP on the internet. Now I unplug the X1 interface cable of the primary SonicWall. You can see packet loss in the ping, but the connection is quickly re-established when the secondary SonicWall takes over. To confirm, let us log into the secondary SonicWall's monitoring IP. On the status page, you can see the primary state is standby and the secondary state is active. This concludes this video on how to configure stateful active standby high availability in Gen6 UTM appliances. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Dell SonicWall security products, visit dellsoftware.com/solutions/network-security. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support.